Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to cover how to hide button from the command bar using XRM Toolbox Ribbon Workbench in Dynamics 365 CE. So this is a lead entity record. So here you can see there is a delete button is visible in the command bar. So how we can hide this button? Now let me show you step by step. First navigate to the Make.Power Apps and then click on Solutions and then create a solution with the entity whose ribbon you want to customize. So I have already created this solution, that name is customization. So click on that. Now I will add the lead entity in this solution because I want to hide the delete button from the command bar. Now click on add existing drop down and then click on tables from here and search table as lead. Now click on that and then click on next button and now click on clear all objects. We clear all objects to keep the solution lightweight, focused, and to avoid overwriting unnecessary component in other environments. Now click on add button. So here you can see I have added an lead entity. Now navigate to the XRM Toolbox application and then you can connect with XRM Toolbox to your Dynamics 365 environment. So now click on that. So here you can create a new connection, but here I have already created this connection, that name is testing. Now click on connect from here. So here you can see now it is connected to the Dynamics 365 CRM solution. And next I am going to select a ribbon workbench which is available in the recently used tools. And if you don't find it here, on the right hand side under the quick actions, click on open tool library from here and here you can search for ribbon workbench. Now go back to the start page and then click on ribbon workbench from here. So here we are going to select a solution which I have already created and that name is customization. So click on that and then click on OK. Hide a button, home page, subgrid and form. So I want to hide a button from the form. Now right click on the delete button and then click on hide from here. Now it is hide. After that publish your customization. So click on that and then click on OK. Now go back to the lead entity form and firstly refresh it. So here you can see delete button is not visible in the command bar. So in this video we covered how to hide button from the command bar using XRM Toolbox Ribbon Workbench in Dynamics 365 CE. Thanks for watching.